What's up everyone, welcome back to Forward Ventures. It's Hong once again, and I do apologize for the lack of videos as of late. My life has been upside down with a bunch of rentals at home, and it's just starting to calm down. And today, you know what, while I'm cleaning out this mess I have in the background, I thought I'd just do a quick video of this product that I picked up a couple months ago. It's been sitting in my room, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to do a short video of this sunshade blocker that I found on a fellow YouTuber's site, Hugh Singville. Sorry if I pronounce your name wrong, but I found it. He gave me the link on Amazon, which I'll link down in the description. And what this basically does is it just goes over your back door of your vehicle. This one's made for a Jeep. Well, it says for a Jeep, so I'm guessing it's made for specific cars. So it's very light, very airy, very compact. So it doesn't get in your way. You can just stow it anywhere in your car, in your cubbies or whatnot. But it's a very fine mesh. Let me show you if you can get closer. So yeah. For 12 bucks American, really nothing to lose compared to other products that you can get. Probably a couple $100, or you can make your own, which there are plenty of videos online. I do have it on my door at the moment. I'll just quickly go over there and show you what I mean. As you can see, right now I have it there. Fits great. It's very simple. It comes out, you know, at the bottom there's this little elastic band that keeps it on from moving. And at the moment my window is open. As you can see, I can push in. Again, this from the inside. It does come with some Velcro straps. I don't know what to do with these. I don't know where these go. There's no real instructions. So yeah, this is great for those who plan on sleeping in the vehicle and not in a tent. When you have these on both sides, the air circulation is great, and it also acts as sunscreen or sun blocker, plus preventing all the nasty bugs from entering your vehicle at night. So yeah, it's a very simple product. Can't wait to use it sometime this summer. Well, things are starting to open up. Well, not starting to. Well, things are all opening up now. Looking forward to going up north, going camping sometime soon, or maybe in September, and trying this product out. The only downside is with this screen protector, it's very light and fragile. So if you have rough hands, you can actually rip it up. Let me just go back to it, because I already ripped it up in several places. As you can see right here. This little patch right here, and right here it's starting to rip up because of me playing around with it again up here. So if you have rough hands, you know, it will catch on to anything and just rip it apart. Here, and let's see, a couple more spots here and there, but for $12, what can you expect for $12, right guys? So yeah, I'll leave the link in the description. So if you plan on trying planning on trying it, yeah, give it a go. It's, you know, $12, nothing to lose. And for those Canadians that are actually watching, it's cheaper to actually buy from Amazon.com and pay the duties and taxes versus actual paying it on Amazon.ca, which comes out roughly to $30. So even with the taxes and all that, it's probably around 20 bucks. So save you $10. So all right, yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. It's pretty simple. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please hit a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.